passive income. That's what we're going to cover in today's video, and more importantly, how can you make at least $100 a day passive income? Let's go. So you want to make passive income, huh? Well, let me put this somewhere safe so nobody steals it, all right? There we go. So first of all, we have to understand what is passive income. I was a little bit confused, so I thought, let me look this up in the dictionary, Investopedia. And this is what I found. Passive income is earning derived from a rental property, a limited partnership, or other enterprise in which a person is not actively involved. As with active income, passive income is usually taxable, but it is often treated differently by the tax office. Did you get that? That just confused me, to be honest with you. So look, let me break it down for you. Passive income is essentially income that you get where you don't have to do any active work. Okay? It just flows into your bank account, your merchant account, whatever it is. So let me give you an example. If you have some form of digital product online, an online course or a software or whatever it is, and you sell a copy of that product, the money comes into your bank account, that's passive income because you didn't have to lift a finger. So think of passive income, something where you do not have to lift a finger once it's set up. Now, many people think the property is the best form of passive income. Yeah, and that's okay if you have hundreds of thousands to spend on buying property, but what if you don't? What do you do if you want to create passive income and you can't afford to buy property, like many people may be in that position? Well, let's get into it. Let me let you in on a secret. You see, if you make $100 a day and you're consistent with it over the course of the year, guess how much that is? Yep, your math serves you correct. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, and 6,500. $36,500 a year passive income if you just make a lousy $100 a day. Anyway, let me put this somewhere safe. So how do you do it? That is the big question. Well, I don't have a rental property, Stas. I have no income. I have no digital business. I have no ideas. I really don't know how to do this. Well, pay attention, my friend. Well, have you ever recommended anyone to a restaurant that you've ever dined at? Now imagine you had some amazing food at this restaurant and you really liked it so much that you started telling all your friends, your family, everyone at work that you knew about this restaurant. And they went there and they had food, and then the restaurant said, oh, hey, we're gonna pay you a commission for every person you send to our restaurant. Cha-ching! That's where the money starts to flow. So essentially, is the easiest way to make passive income is to refer people to products, services, or softwares where you get a nice little commission and a kickback in exchange for referring that person to them. So what do I promote? I promote software. I promote products. I promote digital courses. I promote done-for-you services, and all of those things pay me a nice little commission in return. One of the easiest examples is, let's say you want to build a website. What do you need from that? Well, you need a domain name. Check. You need hosting. Check. And you're going to need some templates to build that lovely website. Guess what? I will send you some links with a guide on how to do this, and every link that you click on, I get paid a commission. It's as simple as that. And if I want to make just $100 a day, I need to have 2 sales because they pay me $50 a day per sale. So that's it. So all I need to now do is find people that want to build their website and that need these tools. There's nothing hard about that. Just find some people that want to build the website and give them the tools. They buy the tools, you get paid. It's kind of like finding some hungry people that want to go to a restaurant and telling them to go to that restaurant, and they're going to go to the restaurant. You see, it's quite simple, right? So now all that's left for you to do is go and sign up with these companies on their affiliate schemes, on their referral schemes, whatever you want to call it. Where am I signed up? Well, to name a few, ActiveCampaign, which is an email autoresponder software, that pays me every single month. Things like Crystal Hosting, that pays me every time somebody signs up. And ClickFunnels, of course, that pays you a monthly commission. So you do the work once, you sign up that individual one time, and you get paid month after month after month. So month 1, you get paid. Month 2, month 3, month 4, month 5. And to be honest, as long as they stay a member of that software, you are gonna get paid. And that, my friends, is true passive income, is finding these companies that are willing to pay you recurring commissions for the members that you refer them. That's how you make true passive income. But now you're thinking, well, Stas, that's all well and good, but where do I find these people that will buy these softwares, these products online? Well, you've kind of answered that question already, because the people are already online, right? So get on your smart computer and go to Facebook, all right? You will find a Facebook group on any single niche. So if I go to Facebook right now and type in dog training, dog walking, I'm gonna find dog walking enthusiasts. Then I can refer dog products to them. If I find internet marketer groups, I can then refer ClickFunnels, Crystal Hosting, ActiveCampaign to those people. And if you wanna get really clever, this is where the real stuff is. So come in, listen up, listen up. This is where you, yes, you, are gonna start your own Facebook group. Instead of relying on other Facebook groups, why not start your own Facebook group of people who are interested in building websites, making money online, dog training, losing weight, whatever it is, and then posting material that's gonna help them achieve their goals. And in exchange, those companies will pay you, well, real money. This is just fake money. They will pay you real money, okay? It really is not that hard. And think about it. You can have as many Facebook groups as you want to. You can sell as many affiliate products as you want to. And if you want to make $100 or pounds a day, well, it really isn't that hard. And it's kind of like the snowball down the mountain effect here. Once this thing starts rolling, it's gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger. And your commissions are gonna start off down here, and then they're gonna grow and grow and grow and grow and grow. And before you know it, you're gonna make in multiple hundreds a day and maybe even thousands a day, because you have an audience of people that all want to achieve the thing that they want to achieve. So, the job is now with you. Go and sign up for these affiliate schemes, these referral schemes with various different companies. Remember, 3 main categories that work really, really well are health, wealth, and relationships. So go out and find affiliate offers. Just go online and type whatever the niche or industry is, followed by affiliate scheme. You will find an abundance of these schemes that pay you this commission. So, and then you're gonna go to Facebook groups for free and start to interact with these people and find people that want these things that you have to offer. And then if you wanna get really clever, then you're gonna start your own Facebook group and start growing a community of people, and then providing them with those helpful links where you make a commission. So I hope you enjoyed this video about passive income, and it's now clear that passive income is simply income that you do not have to lift your little finger for. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And look, if you need help with growing an online business and growing your income, then we have links at the bottom of this video where we have free training. If you want to book a call with me and my team to see how we can help you grow your business, you can do that as well. And look, we're just here to see if we are a good fit to work together. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.